Over 150,000 jobs were cut in October alone, the worst month in over 20 years. Companies are blaming AI, but here is what doesn't make sense. While headlines scream about AI replacing workers and tech layoffs hitting record highs, something strange is happening in the data. Industries most exposed to AI are actually seeing 3 times higher revenue growth. Workers with AI skills are commanding 56% wage premiums, up from just 25% last year. And over 170 million new AI-related jobs are projected by 2030. So what is really going on? Are we witnessing the death of AI careers, or is this actually the biggest transformation and opportunity in decades? In this video, we are cutting through the panic to show you what is actually happening with AI jobs right now. Why these layoffs might not mean what you think they mean, and what you need to do to position yourself on the winning side of this shift. Because by the end, you will understand why this moment of chaos might actually be your biggest career opportunity. But before we dive into whether AI jobs are obsolete, there is something everyone is talking about that you need to understand first. And it's probably the biggest reason people are scared right now. You have probably seen the headlines. AI bubble about to burst. Investors are pulling back, companies overhyped, and it's making people wonder, should I even bother learning AI skills if this whole thing is going to collapse? Here is what's actually happening. According to research from Brookings Institution and DW in late 2025, yes, there are concerns about AI investment returns. But there is the twist. This isn't a tech crash. It is maturity phase. PwC's 2025 Global AI Jobs Barometer analyzed over 800 million job postings across 6 continents. They found that industries most exposed to AI are seeing 3 times higher growth in revenue per employee than those least exposed. In simple terms, companies using AI are making more money and need more skilled people to manage it. Even more interesting, workers with AI skills now command a 56% wage premium. That's up from just 25% last year. Think of it like the internet in the late 1990s. Yes, I know, there was a dot-com bubble. And yes, it burst. But did the internet go away? No, the same thing is happening with AI right now. The hype is settling, but the technology and the jobs, they are just getting started. At Turing College, we are seeing this firsthand. Students who complete AI and data science programs are landing roles faster than ever before, even as headlines say the opposite. Now, you might be thinking, okay, the bubble talk is overblown, but what about AI replacing jobs? Isn't that the real threat? That is exactly what we need to address next, because the answer might surprise you. Let's be honest, AI is automating tasks. Data entry, basic coding, customer service scripts, these are being handled by machines. So the fear is real. But here is what most people miss. MIT released a study in 2025 that found something fascinating. Most jobs aren't economically beneficial to automate right now. It is actually cheaper to hire humans than to build them and maintain AI systems for many tasks. World Economic Forum projects that, yes, 92 million jobs will be displaced by 2030. But, and this is huge, 170 million new jobs will be created. That's net gain of 78 million jobs. And guess what kind of jobs are being created? Big data specialists, AI ethics officers, machine learning engineers, prompt engineers, AI implementation managers. These didn't exist 5 years ago. Here is the pattern. Jobs that are disappearing are being replaced by upgraded versions. Bank tellers became fintech engineers. Data entry clerks became data scientists. It's not elimination, it's evolution. The key is understanding that AI won't replace you, but someone who knows how to use AI will. Think about it like this. Before Excel, we had accountants doing calculations by hand. Excel didn't eliminate accountants, it made them 10 times more productive and created demand for financial analysts. AI is doing the same thing right now across every industry. The GitHub CEO said it perfectly. When you 10 times a single developer's productivity, companies don't hire fewer developers. They hire more because now they can build 100 times more. So if AI jobs aren't going away and the market is actually growing, then what should you actually be learning? Because not all AI skills are created equal. This next section is where most people get it wrong. Everyone is rushing to learn Python, machine learning algorithms, and neural networks. And yes, those are valuable. But here's the secret the top earners know. Technical skills alone won't make you irreplaceable. The highest paying AI roles in 2025 combine technical knowledge with human-centered skills. Let me break this down. MIT identified what they call the epoch framework, the skills AI can't replicate: empathy, presence, opinion, creativity, and hope. Why does this matter? Because companies don't just need people who can code AI. They need people who can decide what AI should do, ensure it's ethical, explain it to non-technical teams, and lead AI transformation projects. If you take a look at the salary data from 2025, you will notice that AI jobs demand salaries ranging from $130,000 to $240,000. And these aren't even for pure coding jobs. They are roles that blend with technical literacy, with strategy, communication, and judgment. Start with the fundamentals: data literacy, basic coding, understanding how AI models work. Platforms like Turing College offer bootcamps that teach you not just technical side, but how to apply AI in real-world business context. Then layer on the human skills. Learn to communicate technical concepts simply, practice ethical decision-making, develop your creative problem solving. Here is a practical example. Instead of just learning how to build a machine learning model, learn how to explain that model to a CEO who has zero technical background. That skill, translation between tech and business, is worth its weight in gold. But here is where it gets really exciting. Because we are not just talking about traditional tech jobs anymore. AI is creating opportunities in places most people aren't even looking. And this might be the biggest opportunity of all. When people think AI careers, they think Silicon Valley. But the biggest growth is happening in hybrid roles. According to the latest job market data, AI-enhanced roles are exploding across non-tech industries. Healthcare AI specialists helping doctors diagnose disease faster, agricultural AI analysts optimizing crop yields, creative AI directors using tools like Midjourney and ChatGPT to revolutionize marketing, legal AI consultants streamlining contract review, education AI designers creating personalized learning experiences. These roles require domain expertise in the field, plus AI literacy. You don't need to be a computer science PhD. You need to understand your industry deeply and know how to apply AI tools to solve real problems. This is huge because it finally means AI isn't just for developers. If you're a teacher, marketer, designer, analyst, writer, there is an AI-enhanced version of your job that pays significantly more and has way more impact. The winning formula? Your existing expertise plus AI skills equals invaluable to any forward-looking company. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but isn't it too late? Hasn't everyone already jumped on this? Actually, this is the perfect moment, and here is why. We are in what I call the maturity wave. The hype is dying down, which means the noise is clearing. Bad AI companies are failing, leaving room for real talent, and employers are getting smarter. They are not just hiring people with AI on their resumes anymore. They want people who can actually deliver results. And here is the kicker. World Economic Forum says 59% of workers will need AI training by 2030. That's nearly 6 out of 10 people. Right now, only a small fraction have started. You're not too late. You're actually early. You know the saying, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Start with fundamentals. Take a course, build a small project, experiment with AI tools in your current work. The barrier to entry has never been lower. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Midjourney are free or cheap to start with. Bootcamps like Turing College can take you from zero to job ready in months, not years. And the ROI? It's one of the fastest in any career path right now. So let's bring this all together. Are AI jobs obsolete? Not even close. The bubble fears you're hearing? That's just the market maturing and separating hype from reality. AI isn't eliminating jobs, it's creating millions of new ones and upgrading existing roles across every single industry. The skills that matter aren't just technical, they are the combination of AI literacy plus human judgment, creativity, and communication. And the best part, you're not too late to this. You're actually right on time. Because while everyone else is panicking about headlines, you now understand what is really happening. The AI revolution isn't ending, it's just getting started. But here is something I haven't told you yet. And the people who take action now, who invest in learning these skills today, are going to be the ones leading the next decade. Knowing all of this is one thing, but actually building a career-ready AI skill set, that's where most people get stuck. That's exactly why you need to check out our next video where we break down exact learning path to go from complete beginner to landing your first AI role. And if you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe to Turing College for more real talk about AI careers without the hype. We are here to help you navigate the future of work with clarity and confidence. See you in the next one.